This video breaks down Adobe Animate into practical steps that blend stop motion, 2D drawing, and lightweight 3D tricks. Learners start with a simple rig using clay or paper, then build a frame-by-frame sequence while refining timing. Advanced viewers explore puppet pins, symbol reuse, and tweening nuances to deliver fluid motion without sacrificing craft. The guide covers exporting options, color management, and asset organization, highlighting how animation powers modern storytelling across platforms. By embracing these techniques, creators gain a versatile skill set that fits social media, ads, games, and immersive media.